Ever wondered how to unlock the secrets behind one of the world's most successful investment empires? This is your roadmap to following Berkshire Hathaway. First, let's establish the foundation understanding Berkshire Hathaway's public filings. These are your primary source of truth. The company releases a quarterly earnings report. And most importantly, an annual letter from Warren Buffett. These documents are treasure troves of information. To access these, navigate to the Investor Relations section of the Berkshire Hathaway official website. Look for the Reports or Filings tab. You'll find the latest and past annual reports and quarterly earnings here. Don't be intimidated by the length. Focus on the sections discussing their business segments and investment portfolio highlights. Next, let's dive into the portfolio itself. Berkshire Hathaway's investments are incredibly diverse. They often break down their holdings by industry. Pay attention to the largest equity positions. These usually give you a clear indicator of where Buffett and his team see significant value. Beyond equities, Berkshire Hathaway also owns entire businesses. When they acquire a company, it's typically announced through press releases or covered in their annual letters. Tracking these acquisitions gives you insight into their long-term strategy and their confidence in specific sectors. Now, how do we actively follow this? Many reputable financial news outlets consistently report on Berkshire's performance and Buffett's latest moves. Websites like the Wall Street Journal, Bloomberg, and Reuters are excellent resources. You can also set up alerts for Berkshire Hathaway news. For a more hands-on approach, consider using investment tracking tools or software. Some platforms allow you to input holdings of companies and monitor their performance. While you can't perfectly replicate Berkshire's portfolio without knowing all the nuances, you can build a watch list of their major holdings and track their individual performance, which often reflects broader market trends and Berkshire's strategic direction. By regularly reviewing these filings, staying informed about their acquisitions, and utilizing financial news and tracking tools, you'll gain a comprehensive understanding of Berkshire Hathaway's dynamic and powerful investment strategy. This isn't just about numbers. It's about understanding the philosophy behind enduring success.